the 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 kilometers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and four well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.